So I finished my Zoom recording. My meeting was recorded, and now I have a chance here to save it. So once it got downloaded, it was able to uh, ask me if I can save it. Now this is asking me to save it on my computer, or I can choose a new location, but I'm fine with that place. So once I click save, it's going to ask me to save it in that place, and it gives me the chance here to look at how it's being uploaded and everything there. So it's saved. And I'm going to go ahead and hit next. I can find my recording is if I go back here to the Zoom main menu. So I'm going to go to my account, and on my account it'll show where I have my recordings, and so it'll say local recordings, and it has all the recordings that I've had on the Zoom platform, and it's connected to the actual file on my computer. And then if I have cloud recordings, this is where you record it and put it in the cloud. It stays on Zoom's platform. You can go there. But the local recordings are already there, and you can take those and just drag them into the Google Drive so that you can put them onto Google Classroom if you need to. To find those recordings, I'm just going to make sure I'm in Documents, and I go to Zoom, and it has the Zoom date on there, and it has this link, and it's an MP4, and I can just take this link and drag it straight into my Google Drive, and it'll upload for me into Google Drive.